हेलो एवरीवन। इस वीडियो में आज हम एक पैराग्राफ करने वाले हैं जिसका टॉपिक है माय क्लासरूम। रूम नंबर 5 on the second floor of our school building is the classroom of 6th B. My class this 17 feet cross 35 feet rectangular room is perhaps the biggest, the brightest and most beautiful of all the classrooms. It is large enough for 40 students who sit in pairs in it. Four neat rows lined with benches made of wood and steel. The side walls have large windows, whereas the back wall has a huge bulletin board that displays our art and craft as well as important information and notices along its entire width. There are cupboards and student lockers. The wall close to the entrance doors has a huge white and green chalkboard and an all touch digital learning board, which is flanked on both sides by charts of science and social science and the class timetable and honors roll. When a class is on, you can hear a pin drop, but during the recess, its aces become playground where all love to run around and play. It wears a deserted look soon after school gets over. My classroom is my second home.